can read English magazines. You can't swim in the rivers in winter in Russia. You mustn't feed the animals. You must wear a uniform at school. My parents have to go to work every day. You don't have to go to the party if I don't want to. It may rain tomorrow. May I sit here? Modal verbs. Modal verbs don't use an S at the end. Modal verbs don't add ed at the end. Modal verbs don't take will, do, does, or did in questions. Modal verbs don't have ing at the end. You don't write to after modal verbs. To make questions in she can swim, you say, can she swim? To make questions in Tom must wear a uniform, you say, must Tom wear a uniform?
May I come in? May I sit down?
Attention! Внимание! Модальный глагол have to меняется по всем правилам. Первое. Пользуется вспомогательными глаголами will, do, does или did в вопросах и отрицаниях. Второе. Может меняться с have на has. You have to go to school every day. You don't have to go by taxi to school. Can. May. Must. Have to.